I go. Thank you, Joey. Joey is my moderator. No, what? No speaking. How do you do that? You have to keep things clean here. Yeah. Hello, Jose Aprecido Costa. Who go see my legs? I delete the bad comments. You have always been good before. Yep. I'm going here because this is all not for me but also to my son. All I did is for my son. I just take care of myself for what I am. Bully snap. Unless you snore. No. Don't remind me of that. I won't sleep because I was, punished by that. Because sleep on live and snore. My Bella Venezuela. Damn, you're so cute. Thank you. Thank you. Hello to my 86 viewers. Please like and subscribe. You were very typed that day. Because when I go to my brother's house, that's my brother's house. I go clean the house, I go cook, I do all the things in the household work, and I take care of my son. And after that, maybe because what's pink? What's pink? It's pink, yeah, not black. So bad. Uh, Thinking of me, thank you. If you wanna ride, tomorrow I'll be going outside. I go vlog going roaming around, or from I miss vlogs, not only live but on the recording video. I I was very happy for thank you. Me too. I'm very happy that I'm back on doing after all my stress. This is the gift. Thank you, God, for accepting me back here in my life, on my YouTube. I Joey, answered prayer. Mac Mac Mac's birthday is on July 2. July 2. No speaking, no. It's clean. Thank you. July 2 birthday, I don't know if I get maybe it's just a small celebration because I don't have yet money for because I start for 4 days and my earnings is not like as before. Have you some holidays? Nice looking, thank you. Holidays what? Holidays, birthday holidays. Mac's birthday on July 2, on Tuesday here. What you mean by holidays? Nice look. You have built it up okay. Yeah, I need to work on it so I get back my viewers because I was lazy during that time when I go live.